Hi, this is Taylor here at Get Up and Go Kayaking Weeki Wachee with Halo, and we can't wait to get up and go and explore Florida's Adventure Coast.
Still waters whisper secrets near. Nature songs we all can hear. Clearview shows.
Hi, this is Kendra from Kendra Tussin Adventures. I'm hanging out with Halo here, and we're about to go see some manatees with Get Up and Go Kayaking. We're really excited. Halo, are you gonna come with us, or are you gonna stay here? I think he's gonna stay here. Yeah, that's okay. We'll tell you all about it when we get back.
Out this juice. Get up and go, bring the spirit high, bring the spirit high. She never felt so alive. Weeki watching the manatee, friends in sunlight, beams in sunlight. They house our wildest dreams. Grassbeds wave like an old friend's call. Underneath we see it all. Laughs and splashes fill the air. Adventures wait.